Construction companies need to stay in control. With multiple projects each taking a long time to complete, with ongoing costs and invoices to handle, it can be hard to stay on top of things and keep the business running smoothly. Sage Intacct Construction, the true cloud accounting and enterprise resource planning ERP system, can help you to stay in control at all times and ensure that projects are well managed from start to finish. The best way to stay in control of your business is to have full visibility over every aspect of it. With centralized data in Sage Intacct Construction, you can see all the comings and goings of your business from one place. The system also offers construction-specific reporting capabilities. From project profitability, cost variance analysis, and cash flow forecasting, you can easily get the answers that you need. The great thing about Sage Intacct Construction is that you can also drill down into reports when you need to. If you want more information about a specific report, you can go deeper and find out where that information came from. Stay in control of your business by keeping an eye on the important data that you need. Whether it's a broad overview or data on specific transactions, you can see it all within Sage Intacct Construction. Managing your finances is an important and ongoing task for any construction business, and it can be easy for all of the quotations, sales orders, and invoices to get on top of you. Sage Intacct Construction can help you to manage your finances and stay in control. With detailed tracking of costs across the business, you can be sure where money is being spent, even across different levels. You can see entire project costings, or you can drill down into the data and find individual cost codes. With unlimited cost code hierarchies and earned value analysis, you can constantly monitor project health and make adjustments if required. There's nothing worse than not having access to the software when you need it. For instance, being away from the office or the software is performing an update. Since Sage Intacct Construction is a true cloud system, you can get access to it from anywhere, at any time, and from any device. The platform is accessed through an online portal, so you can easily access the system anytime that you need to. Sage Intacct Construction can easily handle multiple entities, saving you from collecting data from different sources and combining it together. Whether you are handling multiple legal entities, joint ventures, or intercompany transactions, Sage Intacct Construction allows you to keep each venture separate while easily consolidating the data from each aspect. Sage Intacct Construction helps you to stay in control of every aspect of your business easily. If you'd like to learn more about Sage Intacct, please use the links in the description, or you can get in touch with our Sage experts directly. You can give us a call on 0115 840 5075, or you can email us at inquiries@solutionscloud.uk.